you're looking for a way to make some extra money, you may be considering on social media management. But before you start making money with on social media management, you should watch this video. In the video, we explain everything you need to know about to make money on social media management, including how the platform works, how much you can expect to earn, and what you need to do to get started. We also share some awesome tips and tricks, also how you can make easily. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 1. Promote your small business products and services on social media. The power of social media is undeniable. Small businesses can benefit greatly from promoting their products and services on social media platforms. Not only is social media a cost-effective way to reach a large audience, but it's also a great way to build brand awareness and create a connection with potential and current customers. Make sure you are responsive to comments and questions. Show that you care about your customers and their experience with your products and services. Social media is a great way to reach a large audience with your promotions and discounts. Just make sure your promotions are relevant to your target audience and that you clearly state the terms and conditions of the promotion. 2. Sell digital products using your social media channels. If you sell digital products, social media should be a key part of your sales strategy. Social media platforms are a great way to reach a large audience of potential customers. And with the right approach, you can turn your social media followers into paying customers. Make it easy for your social media followers to find your sales page. Use links, call to actions, and other types of CTAs to lead your audience to your digital products. 3. Join networks and promote affiliate products. If you're looking for an effective way to promote your affiliate products, joining networks is a great option. Networks are a great way to reach a large audience of potential customers. And with the right approach, you can turn your social media followers into paying customers. Make it easy for your social media followers to find your affiliate page. Use links, call to actions, and other types of CTAs to lead your audience to your affiliate products. 4. Collaborate with brands. One of the best ways to make money on social media is to collaborate with brands. If you have a strong following and are good at promoting their products, brands may want to work with you to promote your content. You can charge for sponsored posts or accept free products in return for promoting them. If you have a blog, you can also advertise as a content writer. This means writing articles for brands to publish on your blog and earning a commission on the sales generated. 5. Charge for sponsored posts. Another way to make money on social media is to charge for sponsored posts. If you have a following of your own, brands may want to pay you to promote their products. You can also charge for banner ads or for mentioning brands in your posts. You can also earn money by charging for access to your email list. 6. Advertise as a blog content writer. If you have a blog, you can also advertise as a content writer. This means writing articles for brands to publish on your blog and earning a commission on the sales generated. You can also charge for access to your email list. You can also advertise your services as a social media manager. This means managing brands' social media accounts. 7. Run a Facebook group. One way to make money from social media is to run a Facebook group. You can charge a monthly membership fee to access the group, and then use the platform to sell products or services, or promote affiliate offers. 8. Sell rights to the images on your social media accounts. If you're a talented photographer or have a knack for taking great pictures, you can sell the rights to your images on your social media accounts. This is a great way to monetize your accounts if you have a large following. 9. Manage a social media account for another business. Another way to make money from social media is to manage a social media account for another business. This can be a great way to earn a commission on sales, or simply to get paid for promoting another company's products or services. 10. Become an influencer. If you've got a large following on social media, you can leverage your influence to earn money. Brands will pay you to promote their products or services, and you can also earn a commission on sales that you generate. 11. Join influencer networks. There are a number of networks that connect brands with influencers. By joining one of these networks, you can gain access to a range of campaigns and earn money for promoting products and services. 12. Make money with the YouTube Partner Program. If you've got a popular YouTube channel, you can make money through the YouTube Partner Program. You'll be able to generate income from ads that are served on your videos, and you'll also get a share of the revenue from any sales that you generate. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up If you want to hear more videos from Crypticity Finance, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you next video.